Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to be walking you through how to edit caption preferences on OpenGX. Let's say you want to edit this option. How do you do it? First you have to right click from the home menu, select settings, select browser from the left menu here, and just go down until you see what we're looking for, which is captions. You can see captions. Here it is. Caption preferences under accessibility. So here you can customize caption size and style for apps and sites that support the setting. So you click on it. Now this is the thing, this feature doesn't actually work on the site on OpenGS to take you to your settings, computer, the device settings. So here you can now edit it. So here you can change the caption color, the caption transparency, the caption style, the caption size, the caption effect. Then you add the text background to improve contrast and make text easier to see, to read. You can change the background color, you can change the background transparency, dim window content, window color, window transparency. Those are the things you can edit right here by just clicking and choosing the one you want. It's as simple as that. So from what you can see, you cannot directly edit caption preferences from OpenGS. You have to take you to your settings. So you can actually do this through your settings. So simple as that.